So you say you're a vaccine skeptic. Guess what? So am I. So is the FDA. So is the ACIP. So are scientists everywhere. Because we know that once a vaccination goes through its initial FDA approval, there's so much more work to be done. So in medicine, when we are working on trying to prevent something that is causing harm, and we find at any stage during the clinical trials that the placebo group needs to be stopped because it is so much more unfair, it is not ethical to continue to allow some of the children to not get the intervention, they have to stop the study and they move it forward and put it out and try to get FDA approval. When that happens, they keep looking, they keep monitoring, and we've had 2 instances in modern years where vaccinations have been removed because they either didn't work as well as they were supposed to or they had some safety issues. The first one was the very first rotavirus vaccination, which increased a common pediatric problem by 1%. That 1% increase led the company to voluntarily withdraw its marketing in the United States, and the FDA and the ACIP committee all agreed to stop marketing it, said, yes, this is appropriate, this is too much, we cannot see even a 1% increase in even a common pediatric problem, this is not appropriate. The next vaccination went through much, much more stringent pre-marketing surveillance and has now been out for over 20 years and has been extremely safe and effective with very little to no issues once it's out on the market. The same thing happened with the flu mist vaccination. That is one that's intranasal that helps prevent the flu. And that one was pulled because it was not as effective as the flu shot. So they couldn't say that they were both alternatives to the other, so they couldn't offer it to people. They pulled it off. The company went back to the drawing board, had to present back that they had made it as effective as the flu shot. It's been back on the market for over 5 years. So we should all be skeptical, and we should never stop being skeptical. Take care.